Welcome to Bedford Technical. Bedford Technical is a leading worldwide manufacturer of advanced composite products and has been since 1969. The precision-coated materials that they produce have applications in many industries, such as aviation, electrical work, healthcare, and even the military.
Okay. What we do here is we're a materials converting company. So anything that you could put in a roll, a big roll, we can run through our machines and we can coat that material. And we develop different coating systems. This is a safety helmet, and it starts off with this cotton fabric. And we apply our resin system to that. They have a mold that presses the helmets out. So they put a bunch of layers of this on top of each other, and they offset it with glue, and then they cure it, and it's like a honeycomb, like a beehive. Mm-hmm. So it's light, but it's very strong, because with planes, the lighter the planes, the more efficient they are.
Bedford Technical utilizes a variety of coating methods, including free dip, gravure, knife over, reverse roll, and squeeze roll to create different composite materials. The composite material starts as two separate materials, a resin and a substrate. In the resin room, a worker mixes chemicals together to create a unique resin. Then rolls of substrate are loaded into large roller machines. These substrates can be many different materials, including paper, plastic, and even woven glass. Next, the resin is applied to the substrate material as it works its way through the roller machine. The combined materials then go into an oven which heats the resin and allows it to cure, creating a finished product. One thing that really sets Bedford Technical apart from larger manufacturing companies is the small, close-knit atmosphere in which they work.
Because we're such a small company and everyone's so very close, I think it's a great atmosphere. You get personal relationships with everybody.
We've probably touched everybody's life in some way, even if it was a very small way. Say that the work done here.
This may be the first you've heard of Bedford Technical, but their product will affect your life every single day.